Hey everyone, we all want to make that sweet $100 a day working remotely, right? It's that magical number that screams freedom. For the past month, I decided to put this to the test and tried 5 popular remote jobs. My goal was simple: figure out what actually works for a beginner and what is a total waste of time. I tested surveys, Etsy, copywriting, virtual assistants, and affiliate marketing. Here are the 5 blunt lessons that will help you skip the frustration and hit that $100 daily goal. Let's dive in. 1. The pocket change trap. Online surveys. Result: $3 to $5 per day. I started with the easiest, supposedly the easiest. I signed up for sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie. I spent hours clicking, watching ads, and answering questions about my shopping habits. The brutal reality check? After a whole week, I had made $22. Total! Yes, it's real, yes, they pay, but unless you want to spend 6+ hours a day clicking for pennies, this will never get you to $100. It's okay for pocket money, maybe a small coffee, but not a serious income stream. 2. The long-term game selling printables on Etsy. Result: $50 in 1 month. Inspired by passive income videos, I opened an Etsy shop to sell printable planners and journals. I used Canva to create everything and uploaded 10 digital products. I made $50 in my first month. Guess where it came from? Mostly one weekly planner that got lucky with the Etsy algorithm. The passive income potential is real, but it takes time. You need good design, the right keywords, and honestly, patience. One viral product can change everything, but mine hasn't taken off yet. 3. The quick cash flow. Freelance writing. Result: $200 plus in 1 week. This was my next attempt. I decided to try freelance writing. I joined Facebook groups for bloggers and business owners. I created a simple Google Docs portfolio and started responding to looking for a writer posts. I offered to write short articles for $20 to $40. Within a week, I landed 3 small gigs: a personal finance blog post, $40, a product description rewrite, $25, a travel blog listicle, $60. I made $125 in 3 days and realized this works. The catch? You have to be decent at writing, meet deadlines, and deal with edits. But if you enjoy writing, this can definitely hit $100 a day. 4. The stable leader. Virtual assistant, or VA, work. Result: $100 to $120 per day, consistently. This is the one that changed everything. I always thought a virtual assistant was only for people with fancy admin degrees. Wrong. In Facebook groups like Virtual Assistant Savvies, I saw people looking for help with basic tasks: email management, calendar scheduling, data entry, customer support. I commented on a post and offered a free trial week. The business coach liked my organization and hired me for 2 hours at $25 an hour. She then referred me to a second client. Within 10 days, working only 4 to 5 hours, I was making $100 to $120 a day. 5. The hidden potential. Affiliate marketing. Result: $0 at first, then $300 in 1 week. This one was the most confusing at first, but also the most exciting. I signed up to promote a digital course from ClickBank. I created a simple landing page using Google Sites, made 3 Pinterest pins, and posted daily on TikTok. For 2 weeks, nothing. Silence. Then, one of my TikTok videos went semi-viral, 10K views, and boom! 3 sales in 1 day, earning me $300 in commissions. It took the longest to set up, but once it clicked, I understood the power. This is true passive income, but only after some serious upfront effort. The conclusion: if you want to start making money this week, go with freelance writing or virtual assistants. Both are beginner-friendly and require 0 upfront investment or fancy degrees. Virtual Assistant was the most stable and scalable way for me to consistently earn $100 plus a day. If this video helped you see that making money remotely is real, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next experiments. Which remote job are you going to test first? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.